In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share GA4 access effectively and efficiently. Let's start with the fundamentals. The first thing you're going to do is navigate your way to Google. This might seem like a basic step, but it's the gateway to accessing all the powerful tools that Google has to offer, including Google Analytics 4, commonly known as GA4. Once you're there, you'll find yourself face to face with the sign in button. Click on it to proceed. This is where the magic begins. Now, it'll prompt you to choose your Google account. Select the account you use for Google Analytics. You'll then be asked to enter your password. It's essential for ensuring the security of your account, so type it in carefully. After entering your password, click Next to proceed to the heart of Google's ecosystem. Once you're successfully signed in, look for the Google Apps icon at the top right of your screen. It's a small grid of squares. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various Google services. From this array of applications, select Google Analytics. This is where your journey to sharing GA4 access truly begins. As you enter Google Analytics, you'll be welcomed by the Analytics homepage. If you're managing multiple properties, make sure to navigate to the specific property you wish to share access to by clicking on your web stream listed there. Here's where attention to detail is crucial. Click on the exact web stream you intend to share. This might seem repetitive, but ensuring you're in the right place is key to correctly granting access. You wouldn't want to give someone access to the wrong data. Now, let's dive deeper. Locate the admin settings by finding the gear icon at the bottom left of your screen. This area is the control room for all your administrative needs in Google Analytics. Once in the admin settings, you'll see a column labeled Account. Click on it to unfold more options. Within those options, you'll find Account Access Management. This is the door to managing who gets to see or manage your data. Clicking here is a step towards data collaboration. In Account Access Management, spot the Add button, which is your key to inviting others into your GA4 property. Click on it to proceed. Here you'll find the option to add users. This is where you specify who you want to share your analytics with. Now type in the email addresses of the individuals you wish to grant access to. This step is pivotal because accuracy here ensures that the right people get access. Double check those email addresses. A simple typo could send an invite to the wrong person. After typing the email addresses, it's time to assign roles. Google Analytics offers various roles, each with different levels of access and permissions. Choose a standard role that aligns with the level of access you want to provide. Whether it's viewing reports, managing users, or editing settings, make sure to pick the role that fits your needs and their expertise. Finally, to seal the deal, click on Add. This last click is where you officially grant access to your GA4 account to the selected individuals, allowing them to view or manage your analytics as per the role you've assigned. And just like that, you've successfully shared access to your GA4 account. Remember, sharing access to your Google Analytics allows for a collaborative approach to analyzing data, making informed decisions, and ultimately driving success in your digital endeavors. Always ensure you're granting access to the right individuals and with the appropriate level of permissions to maintain the integrity of your data. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Sharing GA4 access might seem daunting at first, but as you've seen, it's a straightforward process when you follow the steps carefully. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or a data analyst, mastering this process empowers you to collaborate more effectively with your team, leverage insights, and drive growth. Stay tuned for more tutorials that help you navigate the digital landscape with ease and confidence.